Have you been finding it difficult to build your own house? Or you've been looking for ways to build your house? Maybe you already purchased a land, but the land has been staying there. There is no money to build the house. Well, I've got you in this video. I'm going to be showing you simple remedy to build your dream house fast. It's not just building it, you are going to be building it very fast. All you need to do is make your intention, do this preparation, and say exactly the kind of house you want and exactly when you want it to be done, and it's going to happen. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. We give simple life hack and spiritual tips. Simple remedy to build your house, your own house fast. You've been living in a rented apartment for so long, but you desire to have your own house, but you don't really know what to do, or that you have a land already. You've already purchased a land. This is the land I've already purchased, but you've not been able to build it for one reason or the other, or for lack of money, or that you have a land that was given to you or bequeathed to you, maybe in terms of inheritance. You inherited the land and you want to build it, but it's been difficult. Or you already have you started the building, but for one reason or the other, the thing stopped and you've not been able to finish it. Then go and get these simple things and prepare this remedy, and you are going to be thanking me later. Don't forget, when you build the house, remember me. Remember the person that gave you this remedy, because I'm so sure this remedy will help you, because it has helped me, and I still give it to so many people. It is helping them, so I'm going to be giving it to you. We are in the festive season, and a lot of people will want good things to themselves before the year runs out. If you cannot achieve it this year, then early next year you are going to achieve it. This one is a guarantee. It's a guarantee. The universe guarantees it. The Almighty guarantees this, and you are going to see it yourself, and you're going to be very thankful to the Almighty. Now, what are the ingredients you are going to be getting? You are going to be getting a local pot, local clay pot. Let me say it that way, a local clay pot, and I'm going to be showing you the image here. Then the second thing you are going to be getting is banana, ripe banana, the ripe one, banana. I'm not saying plantain, banana. And you'll be needing 16 ripe bananas. Then the third thing is table salt. I'll also be showing the image for you. Then the last thing is palm oil, red palm oil. Those are the things you are going to be needing. Now, let's go to the preparation. The preparation is very simple, but you have to follow the steps. I always advise that you follow steps, because most people get things wrong. Once they don't follow steps, they want to jump step. They want to claim they know everything and they jump step. But spirituality does not work that way. You have to follow instructions, follow steps. And once you follow the steps, then you are going to get it right. Now, the clay pot that you have, open it. The clay pot must have cover, the one that has cover. Then open it. Then peel the banana. I told you 16 bananas, and put inside. Throw the peel aside. The banana meat inside. Put the 16 in the pot, in the clay pot. Once you do that, then you put a lot of salt on it, on the banana. Put a lot of salt on the banana. Then add your palm oil, generous palm oil, red palm oil. If you have a bottle, the whole bottle is what you are going to use. The whole bottle, just spread it on it. Once you spread it on it, then you hold it and make your intentions. And this intention must be specific. You have to be specific about your intention. I want to build my house. Then you give time specific. If you want it within 6 months, you have to say it. Within 1 year, you have to say it. Within 3 months, you have to say it into it. Once you say it into it, then you go ahead. After giving your intention, make sure you give the intention. Say, this is exact time I want. And the type of building that you want. If it's a bungalow, you have a mind of building. Say it into it. A fine bungalow with all amenities completed. Say it into it. If it is a story building, say it into it. If it's a shopping complex, say it into it. Exactly the kind of building you want is what you say. That means the one you plan of building is what you should say into the preparation. That's what we are going to be saying in exactly. You have to be specific. The kind of house, then the time frame that you want the house to be completed. And you know, of course, if you want a story building, you can't say you want a story building in 1 week or a month. You know that. And even if it's a bungalow, you can't say you want a bungalow in 2 weeks or 1 week or 1 month. You have to be specific and be realistic. But your own is to make the intention. Leave the rest to the universe and the Almighty. The Almighty knows how to do it. The universe will answer you. You are making your intention. You are sending it to the Almighty. And He's the one that can do it. And He's going to do it. He has never disappointed. If you look at all these ingredients, they have spiritual significance. Banana, salt, red palm oil. All of them have significance. After adding everything, making your intention, then you can cover it. But at the same time, you offer prayers that you want the kind of building that you live, and every occupant of the building will enjoy peace, will have peace of mind, good health, long life. You know, because a lot of people build and the building will collapse on. So you want to pray for the right building that you are going to be living with, whether with you and your family or all the other occupants. You pray totally, all the kind of house. Anybody that is going to be living there or staying there will enjoy peace. You enjoy peace, wealth. They should have wealth too. They should have money to build their own house. You know, all those things. You give a lot of prayer. You know how to pray. You pray for good things, for peace of mind, for progress. It's not that you enter into the house and there won't be money again. There won't be anything. No, you also pray for more progress and more buildings, not just this one. You want other ones. So you pray, you offer your prayer, then you take it. You look for a location on the land and you do this. You bury it. And this is what you do. Just look for a spot, preferably at the center. Just dig a place, then put the preparation with inside the pot, put it there. Also pray in it, then you cover it. But if it's a building that is already, you've already started the building, you started already, but you have not finished, then you come outside, then maybe the entrance to the building, then you dig it and put it there, and you are already complete. I know this will generate a lot of questions, but I'll be here to answer all your queries. Just go to the comment, ask any question that you have concerning this. This is a remedy that I shouldn't be giving to you for free, but I'm doing it out of magnanimity and because you've been a valued subscriber. I've done a video. I'm going to be linking that here for you also, or in the description, on another remedy with a lot of testimony that you can use to build your house using salt and honey. This is very, very powerful. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.